Don't miss out, including calibration files for effective QuickRay sensor repairs by Repair.Dental's technician. When sending your QuickRay for repair, it's crucial to include the calibration files with your sensor. Our QuickRay sensor repair technicians require these calibration files to conduct thorough testing on your QuickRay X-ray sensor. This ensures that the repaired QuickRay sensor produces images free from artifacts or anomalies. Understanding what you're seeking is paramount. QuickRay calibration files follow this naming convention SN305739.cal. In the file names above, 305739 reflects the serial number of your sensor. If you possess multiple QuickRay sensors in your office, ensure that the file names you send to Repair.Dental contain the correct serial number. The serial number must match the sensor you've sent in for repair. If you have the original QuickRay sensor calibration file disk, first, insert the disk. Place the original calibration disk into your workstation's disk drive. Next, navigate by clicking the Start button or the Windows logo at the bottom left corner of the toolbar. Then, access the files by selecting My Computer or Computer for Windows 7 and above. Now open the disk drive by double-clicking on it to view the QuickRay sensor calibration files. Make sure to verify the serial number. Confirm that the serial number in the calibration files matches the QuickRay sensor you're repairing. Finally, send an email. Just drag and drop the QuickRay sensor calibration file into a new email in your email program. If you don't have the original QuickRay sensor calibration file disk, ensure you're on a computer where the QuickRay sensor has been installed. First, access the files by clicking the Start button at the bottom left corner of the Windows toolbar. Then, navigate by selecting My Computer or Computer for Windows 7 and newer. Next, open the C drive by double-clicking on it. Now locate the folder. Look for the Program Files, x86 folder, and open it. Find the calibration file by double-clicking on the Intraoral USB folder. Retrieve the file. Locate the calibration file within the Intraoral USB folder. Finally, send an email. Drag and drop the QuickRay sensor calibration file into a new email in your email program. If you encounter any issues during the process or prefer assistance from Repair.Dental's technicians, call +1 8555 333399. Repair.Dental offers the QuickRay sensor calibration file retrieval process free of charge for all QuickRay sensor repair customers. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more dental repair tips. Visit Repair.Dental for your dental equipment needs. See you next time.